What is up, guys? I'm gonna try this again. We're going to play some Warzone so you can hear this microphone. This is the TONOR TC-30, the follow-up. I'm following up with how it would sound streaming. I think it sounds really good. I'm gonna make this video so you can judge for yourself. I'm just gonna jump into some plunder quads real quick. That way I can also focus on talking instead of just, trying to win. So we're just going to, I have my mic off on my headset and we're just using this TonorMic right here and see how it goes. We're going to play 1 round, maybe 2 rounds of Warzone before it's done. I haven't played this in a while. I've been trying to play Modern Warfare, but it just keeps being weird. So hopefully, this video turns out good. That guy has a zombie. I'm kind of excited. Warzone 2 is supposed to be coming out here pretty soon. And hopefully it's not already all messed up with hacks and stuff like that. So we'll see. We shall see, I guess. Mic check. Man, I'm rusty. I am way rusty. Way rusty. I really don't care where we land. Go anywhere.
Your mission is simple.
That's right, there it is.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Enemy soldiers nearby.
Here we go, here we go. Where you at?
Sweeping for supplies. Let's improve that. Dropping into the AO.
Alright, here we go.
Done with the search. Returning to base.
They're across the street now, it looks like.
Damn.
He lucked out. To your left. Alright, here we go. Here we go, guys.
Nebula 5 bomb has been discovered. Stay alert. Enemy UAV active. Enemy radar jammer detected in your area. In the face! In the face! No! Enemy allied precision airstrike incoming. Enemy
Slow down, baby.
UAV. Hostile dropping in the area. Tactical nuke inbound. A Nebula 5 bomb has been deployed. Enemy radar jammer detected in your area. Engaging shooter.
I'm gonna see for that nasty quick scope. For that nasty quick scope, I'm sure they're pissed off. Restock is huge. Restock is huge. I don't think it's so bad that they're like up here just waiting, Rolling to bed. This is just way smoother than Modern Warfare, Way smoother. Hopefully Warzone 2 is this smooth. A big old cluster like
UAV active.
Modern Warfare was.
Enemy dropping into the AO. Enemy UAV active.
Behind. Man. Trying to get my groove back a little bit. Trying to get my groove back. A little rough when you haven't played for months, Where's he at?
Enemy soldier nearby.
has to be in here. Okay, let's see. Trying to make it while dying. Gonna read the play balloon. Come on.
Movement! Enemy soldier.
Don't brag!
Allied cluster strike right.
Nice shots. Nice shots. Man. It's been a while since I played this.
Enemy soldier nearby.
Fourth, not too bad. First game back, not too bad. I don't see anybody else doing it. I know with 4, I could have done better, but whatever. Warzone 2, supposed to be pretty decent. I don't know if they're gonna have Rebirth. I've seen online like how everyone's like, oh, Rebirth. So I don't know. I don't know what to expect. I don't even know what guns are like the gun right now. So whatever I had in the past, hoping it works. So when I'm recording, screen recording this, of course, but it's the same would be if you were to stream. It would sound just like this. I couldn't hear my peeps, which was kind of annoying, but it is what it is. Now, hopefully I can just get Modern Warfare 2 to play this smooth. It's actually kind of cool, though. Hopefully you guys like the sound of this mic is producing. Been a long time since I've played Warzone, so talk about real rusty. All right, so overall, this microphone is pretty amazing. I'm gonna save this to gallery as well, and I am going to exit out, quit to desktop. And just overall, I really like this mic. Hopefully you guys like this mic too. This has been a real world demonstration of the mic going into OBS so you can stream. I really hope that you guys enjoyed that. Anyway, guys, I gotta go because my back hurts.
Smoke weed every day.